Here I've got Doogee S70, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you need to open Phone Dealer, as this is the place where we'll be entering those codes. Let's tap on keypad, and let me start with the first one that I would like to show you. It is *##, *4636, #*#. And as you can see, we are in testing mode performed by Google, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So just click on phone info to check email number, phone number, signal strength, current network, voice service, data service, roaming, and so on. If you will scroll a bit lower, you will notice that this panel allows you to run a ping test. So just click on it, and below you will find the results. So you can also scroll to check the mobile info, a refresh rate, and so on. So let me go back, and then you can check user statistics. So if you would like to detect time spent on your apps, here you've got the details. So here you've got the name of app, last time used, and the whole usage time. And then under Wi-Fi information, you will be able to reach Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. And then Wi-Fi status panel would allow you to check obviously the status of your network, but also to perform a ping test. So just run ping test by tapping on the tab, and here you've got the results. So that will be all for this code. Let me go back. So that was the test mode performed by Google. And now let's press *##, *426, #*#. And now we are in FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. So just tap on this icon to switch between modes. And if you'd like to gain more info, tap on more and select advanced view. And here you've got way more details. So let me go back. And another code that you can insert is *##, *225, #*#. And here you've got the calendar info. So by using this code, you don't have to scroll through all the calendars that you have, but you can smoothly enter the code and check all upcoming events which are located in Google Calendar, in iPhone Calendar, and your device's internal storage. They are all included here. So that's it. And then super useful code, which is *##, 06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your Doogee, which are email numbers and also mate number. So tap on OK to close it. And actually that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.